Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save snaps in gallery without them knowing. So first of all, just open up the Snapchat application. Now click on the chat icon in the bottom. Now open the snap you want to save in the gallery. Let's say I want to save his snap, so just tap and open. And now as you can see the three dots in the top right corner, you just have to tap on this. And as you can see this option save in chat, just tap on it. Now I'm going to open his chat. You can see I saved his Snapchat in the gallery, but the notification went to him. Now I'm going to tell you a way that you can save someone's snap without them knowing. So you have to open the Play Store for that, and in the search bar you have to search for Save Snap. Now you have to install this Short Saver application, and after installing the application you just have to tap on this open. Now click on the first option, screenshot. Scroll down and find the Snap Saver app. Tap on it and tap on this allow display over other apps like this. Now go back, tap on screenshot again, click on this allow and tap on this start now. Now go back and open the Snapchat application, tap on this chat icon. Now open the snap you want to save in the gallery without them knowing. Let's say this is the one. When you like any snap, click on this red camera icon to save it on gallery. Tap on it. Let's see if this snap was saved in the notification did not go to my friend. If I tap on open and you can see there is no notification, so the snap is saved in my gallery and my friend does not even know. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.